sharing ideas and support each other. So let's dive in and explore how to make a difference in our life. We start by extensive reading. In our club, we parole short stories each week to read them inside and outside the club. Once we finish them, we complete our report about them. These stories help us a lot to understand the normal things about life and make us more creative. They are short, so we can read them even when we are busy. We move to drama. In our English classes, students work on drama, they practice their part and have fun. This experience helps them a lot to have more confidence. To public speaking, this experience was really good to all the students who practice public speaking in front of them, and it helped us to feel confident and proud when we get better at doing it each time. Then, computer skills. We have done a lot of computer skills like digital storytelling, making videos, blogshows, and ads. Then, film watching. Watching movie is fun and educational. The students didn't watch just for fun, but also to learn language, culture, the stories, and it was really fun. Next, culture. We have done also a lot of activities about cultures like American culture, Amazon culture, Moroccan culture in general, and it helped us a lot to understand their cultures, and it was a really good way to learn English. Then, games. We have done also a lot of games like puzzles and quizzes, and it made learning English more fun. Then, creative writing. Our teacher helped us to write creatively. We made up essays, letters, and emails, and we participated also in the short story competition, and it helped us to express ourselves and feel confident and write creatively. Then, recycling workshop. All the students had the recycling workshop. We learned why the recycling is so important and how to do it. We sorted papers, glass, and plastic, and we talked about helping the environment. Next, the exchange project. All the students practiced in the exchange project. We met students from different countries to know more about their cultures and everything and share ours. It was fun and we talked online. And finally, being part of Made Circle made us more confident, helped us to learn more and acquire more skills. Thank you for your attention.